Welcome to the bank. Today we're going to learn how to handle some basic transactions that you might need to do. When you first enter the bank, you will notice the friendly staff ready to assist you. It's always a good idea to greet them politely. You can say, "Hello, I need some help, please." This simple greeting can make a big difference in your experience. As you walk in, take a moment to observe the layout of the bank. You will see various counters and desks, each designated for different services. There might be a teller counter for deposits and withdrawals, a customer service desk for account-related inquiries, and perhaps even a loan officer's office. Knowing where to go can save you time and make your visit smoother. Remember, the bank staff is there to help you, so don't hesitate to ask questions if you're unsure about anything. Next, approach the teller with a friendly smile and a polite greeting. You might say good morning or good afternoon, then clearly state your request. For example, you could say, "I would like to deposit money into my account," or "I would like to withdraw some cash." Make sure to have your account details and identification ready. The teller will then guide you through the process, ensuring your transaction is completed smoothly. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to ask the teller for help. They are there to assist you. If you're depositing money, hand the cash or check to the teller and say, "Here is my deposit." To withdraw money from your bank account, you need to follow a few simple steps. First, approach the bank teller and politely say, "I would like to withdraw $100 from my account." The teller will then proceed to verify your identity. They may ask for your ID, so make sure you have a valid form of identification with you. Additionally, they might request your account number to ensure they are accessing the correct account. It's always a good idea to have your account details handy. Once your identity and account information are confirmed, the teller will process your request and hand over the cash. Remember to count the money before leaving the counter to ensure you receive the correct amount. If you want to check your account balance, ask, "Can you tell me my balance, please?" When your transactions are complete, don't forget to thank the teller and say, "Thank you, have a nice day."